Alright, so as you guys know, GTA 6 is finally on the horizon and the hype around it is absolutely insane. Like everywhere you look, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, people are talking about GTA 6. And you know guys, whenever a game creates this much attention, there's a huge opportunity for content creators to get millions of views and build channels around it. So yeah, right now I'm about to show you some of the GTA 6 scenes I created entirely with the help of AI. So yeah, these scenes were entirely made with a single AI tool without any heavy prompting, without generating separate images or videos or editing them together. So this video was created with a complete automated method inside of Flova AI, which means you can now use a reusable skill inside of Flova AI to generate GTA 6 style and so many other kind of videos. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just get this video started. Alright guys, so here I am in the home page of Flova AI, and let me tell you guys, this is not just some your ordinary AI video generator, but Flova AI uses reusable workflows, which means it can create a complete workflow of whatever idea you have and make that a complete movie type scene at the end, which I'll show you guys in just a moment. Alright, so in the homepage, as you guys can see, we have so many popular skills listed right over here, which we have reference to video remix. Then if you want to create product commercial, you can create that as well. Then we have script to video, narrative, AI short drama, avatar, romantic, tension short. You can also create, cats workday, which is right now going really viral on a TikTok and other social media platform. And you also have the FPV tour as well. So these skills are basically ready to use workflows, created by professional creators so that, any beginner can start from scratch without any problem. Okay. So for creating GTA 6 style videos, you're going to go to more skill. And from here, you guys can see we have all the genres right over here. I'm going to go to anime and game. And over here, you guys can see we have the GTA 6 live demo. You can create themed videos, short list prompts, and visual reviews inspired by GTA 6 public materials. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on use skill. So it's going to direct me inside of Flova AI homepage again, which now you guys can see it is using the GTA 6 live demo. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start by creating an action scene, like cops are chasing our characters. So we're going to go ahead and try to visualize that scene exactly how it is in GTA 6. So I'm going to go ahead and start by this from ultra realistic open world crime game action sequence, high speed police pursuit through a neon lit coastal city at night. And I basically, mention all of the scenes that could possibly be there in a GTA 6 game. So from here, simply, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. And it's going to direct me to a complete new workflow where I have the chat box right over here, where now you guys can see Flova AI skill is ready. It is basically, integrating the GTA 6 live demo skill. So first of all, it has described the style. Then we have the pipeline duration would be 30 to 60 cinematic gameplay demo. Okay, so now our video spec is ready and it's creating a storyboard for us so that we can tally that and finalize before creating the actual game scenes. Okay, so now our storyboard is updated. So this is kind of a storyboard that it has, described. So it will be a night pursuit, 4 multi-cut cinematic shots. Shot 1 would be the escape begins. Then shot 2 would be, downtown wave and POV. Shot air support and roadblock. Shot the narrow escape. Then we have the audio layers on that as well. And then it has also described some key elements, which will be this. And then it's asking me a simple question: how would you like to handle the main character driver angle? So I can go ahead and select any option from here. So I'm going to click on this pure vehicle and city focus, no driver character. I'm going to click on that and just send this. Okay. Okay, so after then, it's going to go ahead and start creating the media assets, the images, the kind of a scenes that would be there inside of our videos. So it's going to go ahead and first generate the scenes, which we can tally, we can verify, and then further proceed to creating the visuals like videos for us. Okay. Okay, so meanwhile, you guys, let me tell you, Flova AI basically supports all kind of latest and greatest image and video generational models. So for image, we have GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, C-Dream 4.5, and all the latest models that you can think of. And for video, it supports C-Dance 2.0, 2.0 Fast, 2.0 Mini. We have Happy Horse, C-Dance 1.5 Pro Audio. It also supports the latest models of Kling and Vidu AI as well. And also Grok Imagine too. So yeah, You don't have to worry about your visuals, your videos, because all the latest and greatest image generational, video generational models are here. So yeah, guys, make sure to check out Flova AI. I'm gonna provide the link down in the description. And if you sign up through my link, you'll get 100 credits immediately, and also you can earn 200 credits for every user you refer. So yeah, make sure to check out. The link is down in the description. All right, so now our images are ready for the action scene of the game that we are looking for. So first of all, the first image is this. Then we have this second image of the whole background scene that will be going on. Then we have the image of vehicle of cop. So from here, then we have some key elements as well. And then it's going to ask me a simple question again. How do the key element reference took? So I'm going to go ahead and say looks great. Click on send. Okay, so now it's going to go ahead and generate all the cinematic shot, the videos for us. It's going to take around a few minutes. So I'll be back when it's done. All right, and just like that, within few minutes, our video is ready. Like, first of all, it did the generations for us. Then we have some of the media assets in which we have like background music, some sound effects and everything. And then it basically, also combined everything together in one go. Like, it basically did editing on its own. Just input the background music and sound effects over here as well. Just created a timeline for me, and then now within just few clicks, I'm ready to export my video right away. So yeah, that's crazy. Like, within just few clicks, you can automate the whole video generation process inside of Flova AI. So yeah, that is fantastic, you guys, right? So now from here, I'm gonna simply go ahead and export this, click on the video, and then once it's done, let me show you the final output, you guys.
Dispatch to all units. Suspect is driving a black supercar at extreme speeds through coastal downtown. We need air support on Ocean Drive. Block.
And yeah, this was another video that I created with Flova AI. Like, take a look at this, you guys. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a method you can create GTA 6 style videos inside of Flova AI. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, you guys, make sure to check out Flova AI. I'll provide the link down in the description. You can sign up through my link and you'll get 100 credits immediately and earn 200 credits for every new user you refer. So yeah, make sure to check out in the description down below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.